What's up, guys? Welcome to Ethan's Mohawk Rider. Today we're gonna share with you guys a mini trip of Hawaii.
Hello guys, welcome back. Yes, Ethan and I are very excited to share with you guys our wonderful experience to Kona, Hawaii. It is in the Big Island. We will be sharing some pictures and some videos about this amazing place. We actually got to see a active volcano,
And it was so cool.
Unfortunately, we couldn't record in the nighttime, but you're gonna see a lot of amazing pictures and the experience during the daytime. So as you can tell on these amazing pictures, that is pretty much lava from where volcanoes erupt, and they go downhill and they make it all the way to the water. And pretty much that's all the rocks you see. It's all the mountains that the lava makes. Aloha! This is it, guys. We are looking at the volcano, and as I'm pointing, you see all that steam coming out. This is all steam from the vents that I guess that volcano has, and it's pretty much all around us. We're in the middle of
It.
So as we walk towards more like the middle, you can't really appreciate it from the picture, but that's like a very, very deep hole. It's all black, it's lava, and all that steam is coming out from the vents. Hey guys, he's trying to tell us he wants to go all the way out there. Maybe we get to see the active volcano later tonight, but like I mentioned before, unfortunately we couldn't record, but we got to live that beautiful experience during the nighttime. This adventure, guys, was one of my favorites so far. It's so crazy how you can see everything burning except the plants. The plants are so green, they're so alive, and I'm pretty sure it's because of all the raining. It's just amazing that, it's so hot, close to the beach, downtown, and then you come up here and it's freezing cold. As you can see Ethan with the towel, we just weren't aware of this weather, so we didn't have any jackets, but it was freezing cold, and all the vents were so warm, like if you're standing in front of a heater. Thank you so much for watching, guys. This is actually part 1 of 2 or maybe 3 more coming up. We are going to be showing you our experience with snorkeling and all the different waterfalls that we got to visit. Please stay tuned for the next videos.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Click subscribe and click the bell next to it. Turn on notifications. I had a wonderful time talking with you. Stay happy and get a quad.